Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about removing third-party app access from your Facebook account on your iOS or Android device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon in the top right corner to open up this menu. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, and then select the settings button at the top, and then scroll down underneath your activity and select where it says apps and websites, and then where it says under preferences, apps, websites, and games, gives you the ability to use Facebook to log into and interact with third-party apps, websites, and games, as well as connect accounts you have with other apps, websites, and games to Facebook. If you want to turn that off, just select the turn off button, and then select the turn off button once more to confirm. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.